In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create a header and footer in Microsoft Office 365. We start by opening up a blank document and clicking on the Insert tab in the top ribbon. And then on the right side, we are going to select Header. In the drop-down box, I'm going to select a blank header. There are other styles available, but for the simplicity of this video, I'm going to just stick to a blank header. Now, we can add text to the header, but instead of adding text, I'm going to add a picture. So I click on Picture, I'm going to select Desktop, and I'm going to add my company logo. I'm going to resize the picture like so, and then double click on the blank space. Now you'll see the picture has automatically been added to the document, and if I scroll down, it will automatically appear in a new page. And if I backspace to the top of the document, the picture will automatically remain in the document. Now, let's say I want to add numbers to each page. I'll click on the Insert, and I will select Page Number. I will select the bottom of the page, and I will add a page number styling. I'm going to pick bracket 2 here so it's recognizable, and that will automatically add a page number to my footer. Then on the top of the ribbon, I will click Close Header and Footer. Now, if I scroll down, you'll see the pages are automatically numbered according to the header and footer. Now let's say I'm not happy with this header and footer. I'll double click on it, and I'll select my picture, and I'll type in whatever I want. Company letterhead, or I'll add a photo. I can select stock images. And then I'll double click on the blank space, and now you'll see the picture has been updated. I can go ahead and do the same thing with the footer. I go to Page Number, I click on Remove Page Number, I click on Footer, and I can add a custom footer in to the document. I'll go to File, save the document, add it to this PC, save it to my desktop, close header and footer, close the document. And now whenever I open up the file, you'll see the header and footer automatically added. That concludes this video presentation. Please like and subscribe if you have questions.